Welcome to the Country Castle. My name is Sarah. I have 8 children, and this is my journey in motherhood, in finding the beauty and the romance in the everyday tasks of being a mother and a homemaker. On this channel, I share the authentic parts of the highs and lows of being a mother, and also recipes and home decor, and I am so glad that you have joined me on my journey. I always show in my videos the importance of getting ready every single day, getting up, getting dressed, and approaching your day like it is going to be your best day. I find that this makes me way more productive and approaches my day with a better mood. I also always make my bed. I try to instill this in my children to make their bed every single morning because it is the first productive thing you do in your day. It is the gift you give yourself because by the end of the day, when you are tired, you get to greet yourself with a beautifully made bed. So your future you definitely thanks you for that. Today I am taking you along on some of my routines as a homemaker of a family of 10. I also promised my kids that we would make gingerbread man cookies, and so we will show you that later in the videos. As always, I share all of my recipes on my blog. Right now I am making my sourdough start, getting it ready to make sourdough rolls. I am doing a step-by-step on this video soon, so stay tuned for that. It'll be the perfect addition to your Thanksgiving dinner, I promise. And I'm getting all the laundry done. Currently, my dryer is out of commission, but my washer works. So I've actually been washing my clothes and taking everything to the laundromat. But a little silver lining today was I found $1 in the washing machine. I also wanted to talk about balance. I feed my kids cold cereal. Most mornings we have cold cereal. My kids love it. They prefer it. And I want you to know, as a mother, we cannot do all the things. And maybe some people can, but for me, this is a way that I found balance and a compromise for my family, that they can take care of their breakfast and I will take care of the other meals. I also want to share with you, if you love something, just embrace it. Whether that's a song, an outfit, whatever it is. Currently, this tablecloth is on repeat in our kitchen. Is it getting dirty every day? Yes. But do I wash it and then put it back on the table? Yes. I love it. It makes me happy. So don't be afraid to embrace the things you love. It doesn't need to make sense to anyone else. As long as it's something that rings true to you and that resonates with you, it doesn't matter. For me, I am an old soul. I have always been an old soul. So my wardrobe, my home, my decor, it resonates with what I love and how I want my home to look and my clothes to look and my hair and how I do my makeup. This all just matches my old soul. And so I just always encourage women and mothers to embrace that. Don't look at the trends, just go with what you love and you'll never go wrong. I know, being a mother, that we can feel like the tasks are never ending and that we are just repeating the same tasks every day. And you're right, we are. It is the same things every day. Like, how does a herd of elephants come through my home and leave this much trash and garbage on my floor every day? I don't know, but it has to be cleaned. And so guess what we do? We clean it up and we move on to the next task. I truly do take pride in taking care of my home. It is something that is our sacred space. It's the place that we laugh, we eat, we cry. It is all of the things. It is our place of safety, and I do take pride in caring for it. I've talked about this before. Creating a place and a space for your children to connect together is really important to me. So being in the kitchen is something that connects all ranges of my children, from 17 to 1 year old. Being in the kitchen is something that all of us love to do together. And another thing I love to do is I put brown paper on top of my dining room table. I just tape it on. I put out crayons, markers, pens, and for about 3 to 5 days, my kids will sit at this table. They will draw, they will color together. I'm telling you, it is such an easy thing to do that really brings everyone to the table. I wanted to share with you this Narnia closet. We call it the Narnia closet because you have to pass through coats to get to the other door. It is kind of a magical little space. It is a closet that's underneath our large staircase. This is where I keep all of our crafts, my iron, my workout equipment. This is an essential part of my organization of my home. I'm going to water all of the plants in my home today. I love having plants around, but I do have to say there is a season for everything. There was once a season in my life that I took all of my plants and I put them out on my back porch in the winter and let them all die because I could not bear taking care of one more thing. And I have since now brought plants back in, which just to me shows that I'm healthier emotionally to handle all the tasks of my life. Today, I'm also organizing the kids' toys. This toy bin is behind our couch. It's easy to put everything away, and it's a very accessible spot for them to play. I am also making our favorite gingerbread man recipe with the kids. They look forward to this. It's so fun to decorate them. And my baking sidekick is Frances. In fact, I asked her, should we bring in Teddy and Alfie? And she was like, no, I just want it to be me. So we kept it just the two of us. And I think it's so funny that she had to put a little bit of flour on her nose just to be funny and to see how long it would take me to notice. And embarrassingly, it took me a while. I've mentioned this before, but being in the kitchen, I have found, is a great spot for me to connect with all of my children, no matter their ages. My son Harry, who you've seen in other videos, will always come in and start helping bake a certain part of the recipe, and he'll just get involved without me asking. And again, it's a great way to just connect with everyone and make really good memories. This is my tried and true recipe. I have it posted over on my blog, countrycastleliving.com. It turns out every time you can ice them with a little bit of royal icing. We like to do royal icing with the little red hot candies to decorate. It comes together really easily and it is super delicious. I know it seems like we have just jumped straight to Christmas and have skipped over Thanksgiving, but we do love Thanksgiving as well. We just love the holidays and it's exciting for all of us. As I mentioned before, I am doing a video this week of making my easy, delicious sourdough dinner rolls, so stay tuned for that. And these cookies are just about ready to go in the oven, and we are so excited. We are ready to roll out our dough and get our gingerbread men shapes pressed into the dough so that we can bake them. It's always fun to let the kids get involved with shaping their little gingerbread man. They each have to press their own, and we always have to keep track of whose is whose so that the one they created is the one that they decorate. I like to keep it pretty simple in regards to the decorations on the gingerbread men. We just use some royal icing and some little red hot candies to use as buttons, or you can put them on the eyes, however the kids want to decorate their gingerbread men. And gingerbread girl, because Franny said I had to say girls as well because they are boys and girls. The kids love watching these gingerbread men and girls come to life. I hope this inspires you to get into the kitchen with your children. I know that there are so many demands on us and there are so many highs and lows being a parent, but I promise you, creating the memories of them being able to be baking with you, cooking with you, whatever it is, those are the memories that they are going to treasure forever.